In this presentation, we'll learn material safety data sheet. So it is known as MSDS. So this is used in lab safety and industrial use. And on this, most of the Viva questions that are asked in the interviews. So what is MSDS? So MSDS is a detailed technical document that provides information about a hazardous chemical substance or mixture. So it helps to ensure safe production, handling, use, storage and disposal of chemicals. So mandated under systems like OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and HGS, globally harmonized system. So evolution of MSDS to SDS. Originally called MSDS and now standardized globally as Safety Data Sheet under the GHS to maintain uniformity. The purpose remains the same, but the format is harmonized into 16 sections. So, importance of MSDS in research and industries. So, used in chemical lab, pharmaceuticals, companies, food and agrochemical industries. So, it ensures employee safety, regulatory compliance, environmental protection, and critical for quality control and research and development. So these are the 16 standard sections of MSDS. The first section will have product identification, second is hazard identification, then composition information of ingredients, first aid and measures, firefighting measure, then accidental release measure, handling and storage, exposure control, personal protection, then physical and chemical properties, stability and reactivity, toxicological information, ecological information, then disposal consideration, transport information, regulatory information, and other informations. So the material safety data sheet, I have displayed this of sulfuric acid for your reference, like how the material safety data sheet looks. So it has section 1, that is product identification. So in this, the chemical name sulfuric acid, the family inorganic acidities, then formula H2SO4, all the related information of the product will be given. Then hazard identification will be the second section. So in this, the physical state and appearance, that is odor, then it is clear, heavy, oily liquid, all the things will be mentioned in hazard identification. Position and information of the ingredient, the percentage by weight, that is 98.5%. Everything is mentioned in this composition and information. Then first aid and measures. So if it comes in contact with the skin, then what we have to do. Then if it will eye with running water for minimum 20 minutes, then hold the eyelid open during the flushing. So whatever the first aid measures that are required of the particular compound, if you want, if any acid or any OH, any Cl, anything, the mixture of compound, whatever you are referring. So you have to open the section, that is first aid measures, and you will, in this you will get the information on first aid measure of the compound that you are working with. So next, section 5 is firefighting, and section 6 accidental release measure. So this is section 7, section 8, section 9, section 10 reactivity stability, then formation, then ecological information, disposal consideration, then transport information, regulatory information, other informations will be in text section 16. So like this, it is the material safety data sheet looks. Okay. So if you go on the Google and type, if you want to want of any OH, then you have to just type material safety data sheet of any OH PDF. Then you will come up with PDF. You have to download. You have to read the sections what you want. If you want about the reactivity and stability of that compound you are referring, then you have to go to this section, that is section 10. And if you want some physical and chemical nature, then section 9. Everything, whatever information you want about the compound, then handling and storage, how to handle, store, then what are the PPEs, that is protect personal protective equipments to use when you are handling acid, then the first aid measures, then how what care precautions whatever you have to take. Okay, so everything will be mentioned here. Then how to dispose also, disposal will be given. So these are the questions that can be asked, like list the 16 sections. Then in which section you will get safety, that will be section 4, safety measures. So what is an MDS, then why MDS is important in lab, how is MDS different from SDS, then where is MDS used, then what are the important critical sections to read in MDS. So it is hazard identification, first aid measures, handling and storage, then exposure control and stability reactivity, then the personal protective equipments recommended in MSDS. Knows all about MSDS. I hope the information that I provided was very much useful to you. Thank you, everyone.